yet another on-time flight. Last year, over 90% of Ryanair flights landed on time, beating every other European airline. Ryanair for the lowest fares and the best on-time record.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ryanair is pleased to welcome you to London Stansted. Local time here is approaching 9:30. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please exercise an extreme caution when opening the overhead lockers, as items of your carry-on luggage might have been counted for during landing. Those of you who smoke, please refrain from drinks, so until you have reached the designated smoking area, go outside the terminal building. For further information about Ryanair routes, access travel insurance, health car hire, priority boarding, online checking of facility and many more, please continue to visit us at Ryanair.com. And finally, on behalf of your captain, first officer, and especially your welcoming crew, we would like to thank you for choosing to fly us today. It certainly has been a pleasure looking after you, and we hope to see you on a Ryanair scheduled service in the very near future. From all of us on board, thank you and good morning.